Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have new dollar days. New dollar days, just a reminder, they start July 2nd. So we still have our current dollar days going on. These start July 2nd, going on through the 15th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And then if you stick around to the end, we'll go through the dollar days. I actually have a few more Amazon deals on the last day of Prime Day that I'll go over. Some killer deals. So we'll get through those. But let's just go ahead and jump in. Starting with heat shrink. Classic dollar day item, Chicago Electric. Heat shrink tubing assortment. 9-piece, $1, 66% off. 66% off. That's incredible. Dollar. Pick some heat shrink up if you need it. Then we have Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 1-inch steel spring clamp at $1. Normally $129. Only 22% off. I say only because normally the dollar days are huge percentages, but that's not too bad. 22% off on the steel clamps. Then we have our super glue gel 3-pack, $1, 3-pack Shakur, normally $2, 49% off. This is compared to Loctite, and HARBROs are a fan of the Harbor Freight super glue. We continue. We have our 1-inch roller ball bearing, 56% off, normally $229. Down to $1 compared to Everbuilt. We have our 18-inch long neck funnels, $2, normally $5, 55% off. 55% off. Excellent deal. We will do a mini deep dive on this because how are the HARBROs using the 18-inch long neck funnel for the size queens? 4.8 out of 5 stars. So excellent review rating. 98% would confirm. And look at this. This is why we take a deeper dive into what the uses are. It's a funnel. Funnel was used to resemble a smokestack on a safety town train. Ingenious. Okay, perfect. Good price, long enough, good quality, low price. We've got some AJs in the back and some others, both Air Jordans. Nice. Awesome service and prices. Give you that extra reach. Perfect use for me at work. Just what I needed. Only a few pictures, but that's all we were looking for. Confirmation that it's a good deal. Merlin, 1/4-inch steel automotive plug. Your choice of female or male. I know what I choose. $2, normally $249, only 19% off. Hallmaster camouflage elastic stretch cords, 6-piece, $2, normally $4, 49% off, and that's as good as the parking lot sale deals. We have Pittsburgh 16-foot by 3/4-inch quick find tape measure with ABS casing, $2, normally $3, 33% off. Storehouse electrical clip set, 28-piece at $2, normally $3, 33% off. Man, we keep going. Quinn 2-inch putty knife for $2, normally $3, 33% off. Tarp Bros. The Tarp Bros are growing. We need to make a channel that's Tarp Bros where we specifically focus in on tarps. Someone make that channel. That'd be amazing. 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose weather resistant 9mm tarp, $3, normally $6, 49% off. We have Pittsburgh 4.5-inch 40-pound suction cup lifter down to $3, normally $5. 39% off. Pick up a couple of those for some good suction. Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit, 9-piece, $4, normally $7, 42% off. Gordon alert. Utility blades with dispenser, 50-pack, $4, normally $6, 33% off. Then we have some Pittsburgh socket rail set, 3-piece, $4, normally $5, 19% off. Always love me a good railing. Western Safety face shield with flip-up visor, $4, normally $5, 19% off. The 3-inch solid rubber swivel caster, $4, normally $5, 19% off as well. Hallmaster E-Track tie-down strap with D-rings, our favorite. This is only one D-ring though, $5, normally $6, only 16% off compared to Ericsson. Then we have Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive starbit socket set, 9-piece, $6, normally $10, almost 40% off. Pittsburgh again, lifetime warranty for both. Ratcheting screwdriver set, 34-piece, normally $10, down to $6, basically 40% off. I don't know why they don't round up. 40% off. Then we have Bauer 5-pocket utility holster at $7, normally $9, 22% off compared to Bucket Boss. Then we have the ratcheting hard hat at $8, 33% off. Pittsburgh's 3/8-inch drive SAE metric spark plug socket set, 5-piece, $8, normally $10, only 19% off. And we end it with the Hercules Alert 2.5-inch bimetal wide cut blade for oscillating multi-tools, $9. Ugh, end it with the whimper, normally $10, only 9% off. And those are our dollar days starting July 2nd. Is that what it said? July 2nd through the 15th. Some classic dollar days, glues, rubber, heat shrink, 1-inch steel clamps, funnel, ball bearing, stainless steel. There's a stainless steel in here somewhere. Swivel caster, flip up shield, D-rings, tire repair. Some decent deals. Let me know what the HARBROs think. But we'll take that moment to go ahead and move on to our Amazon deals. And these Amazon deals, I'll have them linked in the description. But some really good deals, only a few, not too many to go through. And just again, as a reminder, if you don't watch the Amazon videos, just know that I've gone through the price history on Camel, and I only bring up the ones that are best price in Amazon history. So you can assume that these are all the best price. If not, you can verify on Camel. Klein Tools, 16-in-1 impact rated hybrid screwdriver nut driver, magnetic flip socket 11 bits, 2 nut drivers, 3/8-inch square adapter. It's down to $20.29, 30% off, best price on Amazon history. This ends in 8 hours and 39 minutes. So it ends basically for Prime Day. So there's the Klein screwdriver. Then we have a Wilton B.A.S.H 12-inch sledgehammer, 2.5 pounds, 2.5 pound head, also ends in 8 hours and 40 minutes, 19% off, down to $31.07. Best price in Amazon history. More Klein tools. This is the quad socket, 16 sizes and 4 sockets, 4-in-1 color coded, SAE and metric impact rated, deep well heavy duty, 1/4-inch drive. Also ends in 8 hours and 38 minutes, 32% off, down to $47.48. Best price on Amazon. More Klein tools. So basically, these are mostly all Klein tools. We have Klein tools, right cutting offset snips, aviation tin snips with forged blade for precision sheet metal cutting. 90-day low price, $19.98, 20% off again. Best price in Amazon history. Then we have some BOSCH 10-pack 2-inch Phillips number 2 impact tough screwdriving power bits. 56% off. There's some great deals on BOSCH going on. 56% off, down to $5.51. Best price on Amazon history. More Klein tools. 90-day low again. This is an impact driver 7-in-1 SAE impact socket set with ratcheting handle. Flip socket, nut drivers, 1/4-inch bit holder, down to $29.97, 25% off. Again, best price history on Amazon. And then last but not least, this BOSCH driven impact screwdriving and drilling custom case set, down to $15.54, 42% off. Best price on Amazon history. And I feel like that passes the smell test, $15.54. But those are some extra deals. I'll have these linked in the description if any of those tickle your fancy. And if not, maybe the E-Track tie-off strap with D-ring will tickle your fancy. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know how your 30% off weekend is going. And as usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.